Alright. Good morning. I always say good afternoon. Good evening.
Morning, good evening, good afternoon.
Yeah man, it's Cook and Inspire. Yeah man. And this time I'm in the kitchen, you know. Not in the kitchen at all this morning. We're on our way to the airport, to Gatwick. We're making a little trip down to Jamaica. Go see what's going on. See if we can cook up some storm down there. Even though we don't want to storm down there. Stormy month, but we don't want to storm. But we're going to cook up some storm. Yeah, so my friend, Travelers Influencers, picked me up and this morning, I don't know, about after 6:30. Come pick me up and I came to the airport, you know, because you know, so that's how we roll, yeah man.
We're there.
The wife over here said there, many kids them, many film crew going in Jamaica at the moment. Yeah man, so that's Sashay and that's Brittany over there, so. Yeah man, that's Jen from Travelers Influencers. And see the Travelers boss, yeah? Keep your hair on the road, you know.
Wait, sorry, we can't look on the camera. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good morning.
Yeah man, so
we respect Chef Garnet.
Yeah man, so we're up on at the airport. We just leave my home now, London with it. And yeah, it's a beautiful morning. It seems like the sun's coming out. You can see the, what's that, silver lining?
Oh my God.
Or the sunrise. Sunrise. Yeah man. Yeah, not, yeah, so yeah man. So we're going to see what's going on in Jamaica at the moment. So I'll keep you guys posted as we go to the airport. I don't know if I can film when I'm inside or going through the airport. It's the first time traveling from this lockdown thing coming in effect. So I don't quite familiar with the changes that has been made. So yeah, I will take you on this journey and show you what's going on. I'll take you from the airport to the plane when I'm taking off, and then when I've landed in Jamaica to let you guys see what's happening. Okay guys, this is just a normal vlog. It's not a cooking vlog or a cooking show this morning, this afternoon, this evening. Yeah, so yeah man. So we're up on the A406 now. And then Travelers Influencers at the road. See him there? Now in dark glass early this morning.
At the road.
You know, see the man I put on in dark glass and serious business, you know.
No joke. No joke business, you know what I mean?
Yeah man. So yeah man guys, I keep you posted man. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe as well. Yeah man. And check out my friend Travelers Influencers channel as well, you know. And subscribe and like and share too. Because you know say one link. We say one link?
One link.
Yeah, one link. What you say? Mrs. Travelers Influencers.
Yes, morning.
I see the Cook and Inspire team there.
Yeah.
Yo!
Sashay and Brittany in the house.
Yeah man, the bad editor them, you know. Yeah, you know what's never take them on the trip?
Which is right.
I'm gonna one tunnel say dark up. See?
Yeah.
So yeah man, until next time, me see you at the airport. Peace out. Just arrived at the Gatwick airport, you know, about the check-in. So I'll take you guys and I'll show you the procedure at the airport if you're traveling for the first time after the lockdown. So yeah man, I say go, we're here. My virgin dropped me at the airport at the moment, and all the power you go down. You see me I say? You want to see Travelers Influencers there? Him in a mask and him glass.
Yeah man, with mask up man like a superhero.
Yeah man, there you go man. And look who we got here so people. Yeah man, on YouTube. Cynthia.
Yeah, coming home from the cold. Coming in from the cold. Yay! Glory to God. Hallelujah.
Yeah man, so I seen that. And look over here. Who we have over here? We have Jenny
in the house.
We have Jenny in. And over here, so we have
Roti Garfield there.
Bless up. Yeah, so. And we got the two. We got the Cook and Inspire team over here. So yeah man, guys. When I reach inside, I show them what I go on, the procedure. So yeah man. The airport is so. The airport is so empty. It's unbelievable. Look around. Like hardly anybody in the airport. I'm telling you, man. Things are a bit different over here at the moment. Put them back for me. Put them back for. Yeah. So sending our baggage already. So we're just gonna go in through where we're gonna go through.
Security.
So we're gonna go through security in a minute and go and look at some shops so where we can find us the Savage. Okay, guys. So yeah, this is it. The Gatwick Airport, North Terminal, pretty empty. Nothing much going on in here. Yeah, guys, as you can see, in the airport, we're in the waiting lounge, where all the shops and cafeteria and all these things, and I can't see any of that open. So we're gonna be starving. We're gonna be starving in this place. We're gonna be starving in here. Yeah. These are the two that crying for hunger already. You know. That's what I'm saying. So yeah, we're gonna look some food to eat at the moment. I don't know if we're gonna find any food in here. You can see it's the emptiest I ever see at airport from when we were traveling. Yeah, from the UK. This is Gatwick Airport. Yeah, man, it's the road to Garfield, eh? And he thinks he's in the video, but he's not. So, yeah, we're gonna look some food. So what happened? Yeah. So right now we're trying to look some food in the airport, and I'm telling you, man, everything is closed. If you look upstairs, that's where the cafeteria is, and everything is closed in the airport. So if you haven't got food and you're eating particular stuff, then you won't have it. So please walk with your food if you're traveling soon. So at the moment we're in Wetherspoon at the moment, trying to get some breakfast. You know, I don't usually do Wetherspoon and English things. So. But at the moment, that's the way it is at the moment. So yeah, and I guess we have to order via a barcode. There's a barcode on your table. So you order, you scan that, and then you order from that. So yeah, that's the Asian time that we're living in, guys. Yeah. So I'll keep you guys up to date and post. You know what I'm saying? We have 2 hours with Gator now. I'm here to tell you, say, there's a people, the airport empty so till. You get me, I say? Come on here. There. Sorry? So we're just heading up to our gate at the moment. And as you can see, there's not much people at all. See me, I say? I'm just boarding the aircraft at the moment, and it's surprising to know that there's a lot of people boarding the flight with us. The flight is so packed, you know, based on the amount of people that I see queued up to going on this flight to Jamaica. So yeah, see what's happening when I get inside the flight and see the runnings. I can't see any social distance in here. Everybody is just bungling up, and yeah. Yeah, man. So we're in the plane now, seated and everything. You know, plane still look full. You get me, I say so. You know, everybody boarding in.
From Africa, so it's taking everything.
And we have a wire, so how this wire, sir? How this wire? Listen to social distance, I go on a plane.
Approximately 10 hours later.
I've just landed in Jamaica. Okay. I'm on the international airport. And I promised to tell you guys that, to show you what's happening out there.
Tomorrow.
It's the first time traveling after COVID, so this is what it looks like down there. You have to join that queue down there just to get tested, and then before we go into immigration. So it's a long process, guys, traveling back to Jamaica at this time. You know, I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you ahead. Yeah, so this is what it looks like up ahead. You can just imagine. Yeah. Yeah, but nevertheless, we're here and we're gonna make the most of it. Okay. The soldiers are down there separating people who are traveling together and who are traveling by themselves. They put them in different category. Yeah, so
the local time is
I just wish I could be out of here right now. It looks like we're gonna get out of here well, in the next 3 to 4 hours, because we're not even reached up by the immigration desk, much as to collect our baggage. But yeah, we're still there, and the crew. How this? How the man? How this? Everybody look at bush. Yeah, man. You updated now, guys, yeah? Here we are again, land in Jamaica with there. I mean, I tell us the experience with the COVID and everything, coming off the flight in Jamaica, it's an experience, I'm telling you guys. So if you plan to come to Jamaica in this pandemic business, yeah, I'm sorry for now, because once the flight land, you have a good 3 to 4 hours before you actually see the immigration, you know. So my flight landed about 3 o'clock, and now it's what, after 6:15 right now, so it's a good almost 3.5 hours that. You see me I say, so yeah, so if you plan to fly to come to Jamaica, you know, it's a good, you can make up your mind to come and join the long queue, but it's a process when you have to go through, and you have to go there, fill out some form, well they do it for you, they fill out the form for you, and when you come to collect your baggage, then they have the people out there downloading the Jan COVID app on your phone, so you can't leave your home and then put the app on your phone. So yes guys, so if you come and plan to leave, then you have to have some other way around it. So yeah man, I hate that. So right now we're going home. We also rented a car and heading home. At the moment, driving it very smooth and easy. Tired, long 9 hours flight. So yeah, we at the moment we're on what is Port Royal Road? No, Airport Road there. We're on Airport Road I go. So we're heading towards Harborview now. We just pass the sea now. What about people at Jack? So yeah man, me keeping it posted. So people, I keep updating on what I go on until we reach home. Okay? I think we're gonna make a stop in KFC. Them kids say them want KFC. Them can't pass KFC without stopping. So a man there come from the airport, a giant suitcase. You must see the overview. Yeah man, so I eat that for now. Until next time we do a KFC, I'm sure no one go on. I'm not go inside a KFC still. Go inside a KFC. I think we better go in a drive-thru. I think we could probably go to a drive-thru and say no, probably better in it, Jai. Yeah, so people, you know what? We did plan to come put more KFC, but you know what? We are driving past on the Harborview and we see the KFC. So you see, so you know what? We'll get some KFC to the drive-thru. You know, so this is it, the Harborview KFC with it. I think the place is over there, so what, the lockdown or it closed for the day, so I get some KFC, yeah man. So if you come to Jamaica, it's a real KFC. You know about the one in America, or the English one are rubbish. That messes up. Yeah man. And over the back, see my sister there? She insists to carry one car, me go again.
Yeah. Messi, yeah, Messi say you there drive through.
You my brother over there.
Messi say you there drive through, brother. Clock.
Yeah, so.
Me know say you there na me. Clock like I follow the dog.
You hear the talking, man.
Me say you there behind me. Clock like the dog. Hey.
You hear them people?
Yeah. Where's it now?
I'm follow back out and carry the
yeah, can me just go pick up the money. When me I go come at airport, me just go pick up the money for the requirement. Come my window for me.
Man, see you. Come on the other side. Come on sachet inside.
Come over sachet inside.
You hear them people behave at Jamaica people. They don't want nobody to take out money, you know, because
Me I done. You go.
watch it, me tell you, come on sachet inside. Come on sachet inside, no?
Eh?
Come on sachet inside.
No, go back. I want you to do.
How much job?
Let me try and bring up the app for you guys to see. Yeah? So this is the app. You know? You come close and see. Yeah. What do you call again? Jam what? Jam COVID-19, something like that. The app is name, yeah. So you have to download this app onto your phone, which keep a track where you are. You know, so you can't really leave once you're under your 14 days quarantine. And I'm home at the moment, and I'm telling you guys, every 4 hours or something like that, you'll get a notification on your phone through the app, you know, to do a video recorded message and send it back to them. You know, very often they do that. So, you know, you have to just obey the rules and what they have said here in Jamaica to do. So, yeah, man, just a quick run through. I wanted to give it, just wrap up this video and to let you know that this is what's going on at the moment. At the present moment, at this time, you know, it's they got a curfew start from 9 o'clock. So anything after 9 o'clock, you can't be on the street at all. So that's the way it is out here in Jamaica right now. And I'm telling you guys, it is really hot. So we're just here at home sitting down under our quarantine. You know, we're just out and about in the yard. As you can see, we have made some videos in the yard. We cooking and just the usual stuff indoors, you know. So you can make it fun as well while you're here doing that. You know, don't feel restricted or stressed out over it. You know, it is what it is. Yeah. Yeah, so this is it from me. Cook and inspire. You know, as I said, I'm not cooking. I'm just doing a vlog right now. So, yes, guys. And make sure you say you do your health check or whatever check it is, you know, before you travel, because you know that piece of authorization from the government of Jamaica, then you can't be able to travel, not even to board the plane actually. As while we were coming, there were one person that could not board the plane because they did not fill out their form to get the authorization to travel. Yeah, so don't make that mistake, people. So yeah, until next time, just cook and inspire here, you know, doing a vlog for you guys to let you know what's happening. And when I get the release to go about the place, then I'll promise you I'll do some vlogging and probably go about and sample some food while I can, if I can. Yeah? So until next time, the place hot. Let me say, the place hot. After we always having my towel just to wipe sweat. So until next time, cook and inspire in and out the kitchen. We're in and out kitchen, but we are chill. Yeah, man, in the eat. So peace out. I hope you enjoy this video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yes? Because I'll be putting out some awesome contents for you guys. And share everything. Like everything.